Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be doing an interior design tutorial based on my previous design. I recommend that you actually do see my previous video so that you can more or less correlate them together, since I will be continuing where I left off from the previous video. So this is where we left off last time. So what you simply do is you click on structure, go to general, go to kitchen rather, and you add corner cabinet, lower cabinet, lower lower corner cabinet. You clone it and you move it all the way to the other side. Clone it, scroll it all the way to the corner, make sure that it aligns there. Add a cabinet, clone it, move to the other side, and then clone it and add it in the middle. This is like, it's not really according to measurements, so you can just do your own measurements if you want. Right, then you add another cabinet to the side, clone it. Yeah. That's good enough. Right, clone it. And then now what we're doing is creating it on the other side. Also you clone it. Just repeat what you did on the other side. Now you scroll down to fridge. Change the measurement to 100. Yeah, seems fine right there. Change the height to 200. Then you can add another cabinet just to fill in the gap right there. Scroll. Change the soft space into 210, because what we're trying to create is a hole that will cover the fridge. Then just readjust it according to, just move it along to the middle. Shoot it in 3D view. Let's see what it looks like. Now the fridge is inside our shelf, which is good. Now we'll create our island, so just clone the cabinet, move it all the way to the other end, align it with the corner cabinet, and clone the corner cabinet. Just readjust the size there. Creating our little island right there. Go to kitchen, add the cabinets. Corner cabinet too. Stay at the corner. Set it to 210, also 210, and clone it, align it right there. Then now you can copy the bookcase, my bad, and then set the height to 28, set the vertical position to 210. Set the height to 30 actually, and then make the vertical position to 182. We're making a casing for our microwave. Set the size to 65. Make sure it aligns with the cabinets. And then change the vertical position for the microwave to 181 centimeters. you can just slot it in there and you can 3D view. There you go. Right, and then just close up the gap right there with another cabinet. Set to 28. Okay, seems good enough. And then I'll just close off the gap with another cabinet. Alright, so there you go. Okay, so now change the color. Click on the cabinet, change the body color to any color that you want, but I just wanted to make this one brown since in the previous design it's brown, so we'll just make this one like a dark brown. And then you can just click on to all, you copy and then you click on to all to spare yourself some time, and there you go. Just only the corner cabinets haven't been colored. So what you do is you click on your cabinet, you copy the body color, and then now you click on the corner cabinets, and then you go to color again, go to body, paste, and then copy there, then to all. Done. See in 3D view. Yeah, there we go. Do the same for the bookcase. Just paste. Click on stove, just scroll to stove, adjust the size to any size you want. I don't know what the universal sizes for stoves are, so I'm just guessing with this. So I set it to 65 by 50. Just move it along to the middle. Change the color, make it a bit of a dark gray. Slot in an oven in there, just directly with the stove. Also set the color to, just quickly copy it first. Click on the oven, and then paste the color. Then now you'll add a hood on, and set it same color to gray. And set it above the stove, then set the vertical position to 250. See in 3D view. Right. Okay, now we are complete with our kitchen. Add a box right there. Just make the box to 58. We're making a table. This will be the top for our table, so you can clone it. Set the size to 50. Make the height to 7. Make the vertical position to 82. Just make it black. Now actually copy the color of the bookcase. Instead of making it black, we'll make it brown instead. So you just click on your box, paste the color. It's in 3D. Yeah, I feel like that looks better. Okay, now you can add a stool. Just change the color to red just for a bit of flair, you know. Clone. Okay, and now be making our table so we can add a rug. I just need the shape. Just make the measurement to 170 and 170 on the other side too. Change the vertical position to 75. Make the height to 10. Just center it towards the middle more or less. Clone it. Then just make this one to 74 and make the height to 8. Make the color black. And then just change the size to 272 just to make it slightly creative. Just lock the size so that it doesn't move around. Right, now that's our table. Clone it again so that we can make like a leg for it. Center it towards the middle. Unlock the size, change the size to 75 by 75, make the color black, and then just change the height to 65 vertical position, check in 3D. That's our table. Then now you can just scroll and look for the chairs, go to living, and just add the chairs, make the color make it brown. And then you can just clone them, do the same, just add a chair for each side. Okay, there we go. Got our young dining room and our kitchen done. Then we'll move on to the living room. So you go to general, add box, change the height to 30, vertical position to 250, make it 400 centimeters by 50. Just make sure that aligns with the corner of the wall there. Clone it. Then you can just drag it along to the ends of the other wall. And this is basically, I don't even know what I could call this, just decoration wise, I don't know. Ceiling, just some ceiling decorations, just to add a bit of character to our living room. Okay, so now you will add a couch, move it towards the corner right there, and then now just scroll, add a rug. Make the color brown. Scroll to living again. I'll add our TV. Just put it just above the fireplace right there. Make it 62 height and 182 vertical position. Okay, now you can clone the leg for a table. Make another table, just make it 50 by 50. Set it next to the fridge right there. Clone it. change the height to 10, and make the vertical position to 50. We are now creating like a band, so you can just make it white, just to add a bit of character to the table. Set it to 51 by 51. The table with a little band right there, just to add character. Clone it. Now making a table for our living room. Set the height to 30. Make it 180 by 134. Just an oval table. Let's move it along right there. So in 3D should look more or less something like this. Let's change the TV size to 110 just to make it, I feel like that looks slightly better. Add a flower, set the vertical bottom position to 30, and then make the flowers, set them, just make them orange. Center it towards the center of the table, and then clone it, move it to our table right there. Set the bottom vertical position to 65. And there we go. Just to add a bit of more character in the room. Then add a cylinder, make it black, make it 8 by 8, and then you can change the vertical position to 219. Make the size to height to 2. These are basically our downlights, and then we'll center them on the end of the wall, towards the end of the wall. Okay, clone it, do the same for the other side. Clone it. Also do the same for the other side. Set it at the middle of the box. This requires a lot of patience because okay, there we go. Clone it to the other side. Just make sure that they align. Okay, that looks good. Set it to 50 again. Alright, that's about it. So now you can just mimic what I did here onto the other rooms, because I was trying to make this a short tutorial. I try to make it as short as possible, just to basically get the picture of what I did in terms of designing this interior, so you can just apply it to the rooms or to your designs. I really hope this tutorial was helpful. I will try to keep on making more, and I thank you guys for your support. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.